We're going to take a look on how to use BoldTrails for KV Core. Same thing, how to make instant videos on your BoldTrails so you don't have to try to download pictures, do all that and everything else. If you're not already subscribed, please like and subscribe and join the channel. Love to have you and get the updates. So the first thing we do in your BoldTrail is you're going to go down to Marketing, click on the Marketing tab, and you're going to be looking for Design Center and hit Get Started. And then when that loads up, so again, Marketing Design Center, you're going to click Video at the top here, and then this Listing Video Listing Promotion. Once you click on that, it loads up. Then you're going to put in an address. I'm just going to randomly pick some of these in here. Put in an address, and you see it automatically loads, starts to build it. If you don't want it to show the Bed Bath and address because you want people to reach out to you, just go here and click Unbranded. And then it doesn't have your information on it. And then you see over here on the first slide, if I hit the hide button, it's going to hide that first slide. And then I also like to go to the end. Otherwise, on the end, it shows it again. And I hide that one. So now it's only going to have the information of the property, hiding anything like I don't want them to know everything about it, or they don't need you to reach out to you anymore. So I do that. And then if I want to, I can put my agent information in there. Anything like that if you want to brand it to yourself. So I could do that and then do agent, and then my agent information is in there. And it just depends how you want to do that. And then at the bottom where it says audio, you just hit play music, pick any type of music that you like, and then hit generate video. And it's that easy. That was literally 2 minutes. It's that simple to make a video. And then when you hit close, it'll close it out. And then again, this is another pop-up. So I'm going to go back here to all media. And when I go to all media, this is a video I just did right here. Here's some other video stuff that was done, some other media that was done before. But here's my video right here. And then when it's done, it takes maybe 20 minutes to get ready. You hit edit design. You can download it right here. Or I can go here and share it on social media, whatever you want to see. Video still processing, so I can't share it yet. But when it was already processed, I could. If not, I just download it. Then I can put on my social media, my Facebook, anything like that. Anything you want to. Now, one thing that's great, if you look here, it's not letting me do it now. Let's see if they have one that's already processed. So for example, this video was already done. If I hit edit video, and you can see right here, share on social media, and then to share it on YouTube, if you click that button, it'll open it up. Of course, it's not going to show it today because I'm trying to show you. Once you click it, it opens up and gives you a detailed drawing because this one person's not connected. It'll give you a detailed breakdown of like the description of the video, all the links, and you can use that or not. It's up to you how in depth you want to get into it and how deep you want to dive. But it's that simple. Video right here, click on the listing video, pick your property, and then either unbrand it, brand it if you want to do whatever you want to do. And then you can go through, add voice if you have a recording. If you want to do a voiceover as you're showing the different pictures, you can. And then you can upload your recording, or you can just have the music playing and then add the videos. And then again, once you're there, all you do is go to all media and everything you've done is right there ready to go. It's that easy to make instant videos of all the homes out there. So you can instantly take those and drop them to places where you need to go. Keep getting great. Keep making money. Have a great day.